Let's talk about follow through. And no, I'm not talking about the morning after a dodgy curry. I'm talking about the one thing that you can practice which will make you a more accurate, or shall I say a more consistently accurate shooter. So what is follow through? Well, let's imagine you've settled down, whether you're on a bench, whether you're standing, you're laying prone, kneeling shot, whatever you're doing, every single shot you take, you've settled down, you're nice and comfortable, you're on target, your breathing's right, breathe in, breathe out. Now you can either shoot whether you're breathing in and holding your breath or breathing out and holding your breath. Everything's just right. Your trigger technique's spot on. Everything's just perfect. I'm lined up on the target. I've taken my shot. Now you notice what I did there. I stayed in position long after that pellet had left the barrel and hit the target. Now, the whole thing about follow through is it's a natural human instinct to, especially when you're excited, to get down. Yeah, that's absolutely perfect. Nothing's moving. I'm ready to take the shot. Now, it's a natural human instinct for your body to be preparing itself via your brain to have a look and see your handiwork. Did you hit that bullseye? Did you hit that rabbit exactly where you were aiming? And that's a problem, because it might be a fraction of a hundredth of a second, but while that pellet is still in that barrel, or even immediately after it's left that barrel, it's still under your control, and any slight movement will affect your accuracy. So follow through is getting everything nice and relaxed, into position, taking the shot, and then you can move and have a look and see what's happened. Now, the great man himself, Terry Doe, taught me all about follow through many, many years ago, and it's something that's stuck with me through all of my shooting. It doesn't matter if you're a hunter, if you're a club shooter, if you're a competition shooter. Sticking with follow through really does make a difference, and it will make you a much more consistent shot. A great tip for follow through discipline is something that I know Terry Doe teaches shooters, especially new shooters, and it's a good way of getting it into your head. So you settle down, everything's as before, absolutely spot on, ready to take your shot. I can move my head. You notice the trigger's still pulled back. Now you can keep the trigger pulled back before you move, or you can stay in position, take your shot, release the trigger, and then move. But try and get it into your head that you don't move your head or your body till that trigger is released. And you should only release that trigger once your pellet has hit its target. There we go. That's a great little tip.